Hey, what's up, Bepro Holders? So this video is very urgent for Bepro Holder because this is the end of month and a lot of holders do one big mistake to they sell in the same time in the current time. Exactly, my friend. This is very big mistake. I share my opinion and I have a 3-year experience in the crypto market. I share my opinion, my friend. And this video, this is good time to sell, hold, or buy. And what's the prediction in upcoming days? Bepro going up or Bepro fails down? This time you can see here the change occur as a positive and they completely going up like a rocket. But definitely, my friend, this is the end of this month and everyone know this today going up in this time. So please understand what I talk you to upcoming days. What's the reason, what's the my target, my friends, of Bepro. Let's start the price prediction of Bepro, my friend. Before I get started, I really request you, my brother, to subscribe this channel because this channel provides you very latest and updates, my friend. Thank you so much for subscribing this channel. This time, my friend, you can see here at the start of this week, my friend, this is the last 7 days chart. You can see here they completely falls down, my friend. If I draw, my friend, a line 1, this time line 1, and you can see here I draw a line 2. The line 1, my friends, touch the highest point of this chart, my friend, in the last 7 days, and the line 2, my friend, you can see here this time touch the lowest point, the fails point, my friend, in the last 7 days. So if you can see here, my friends, this time they fails down completely and they're moving very slowly. Take a small jump, take a fails down, my friend. You can see here they're moving in this circulation, but you can see here, my friends, they sometime moving off like a rocket. You can see here like this time, my friend, and everybody notice this is the start of month, so everybody understand to this is the reason as that today gone up. So this is the end of this month. Sorry, this is the end of month. Okay, my friend, I draw a resistance line, my friend. If you can see here, I draw a resistance line this time and they are completely cross the resistance line there. When they cross the resistance line, absolutely they are in the profit, and they fails down, they are in the loss. So therefore, my friend, you understand today going up like a rocket, so therefore they give you very good profit. So please remember this is not a selling time, this is holding time. Please don't sell it, hold it. Everybody understand this is not a selling time. Exactly, if you sell it, then they give you a very small profit, or they are in the loss, they cannot give you a profit, my friend. So please, if you wait just 2 or 3 days, this time you can see here this change occur -7 or plus 7.14 1% change occur. So this is not a small change occur, my friend. All cryptocurrencies very badly fails down, but some very altcoin, my friend, this is very also very cheap price coin. So therefore absolutely they going up because people are easily this is buy it now and very cheap price. So therefore people very highly, my friend, buy it. So please, Bepro holder, please don't sell it, hold it, and wait for the end of this month. I hope they give you very good profit. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe this channel for latest news and updates.